Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, All in Quicksand. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the tailgate mounting decal. So to perform this install, you'll just need some basic household items, some windex and a paper towel, some painter's tape, and a squeegee. So the first step is to take your windex and just clean the back of the tailgate, getting rid of any debris. So before you install the decal, you want to make sure you prep the vinyl. So you can use a credit card or a squeegee to ensure that the transfer tape adheres well to the decal before you begin to set it on the tailgate. Now you're going to take your painter's tape and just use that to stage the vinyl for installation. So once you've got the vinyl temporarily in place, you want to take your tape measure and measure 2 inches from each side of the actual mounting decal. So once you've got your edges lined up, you'll want to adjust the level of the decal using the character lines of the tailgate. So next you're going to flip up the decal to have the backing paper facing you. Now we are ready to peel off the backing paper. You may need to use some more painter's tape to keep the decal stiff as you remove it. Now you're going to go back to your windex and spray right below the decal. Now we're ready to place the vinyl. We sprayed windex so we'll be able to easily move the vinyl once we have it set. The key point here is to not press too hard on the vinyl until you're satisfied with this final position. Now you can use your credit card or squeegee to remove any air bubbles present after setting the decal. Once you're happy with your decal's position, you'll just want to step away and let it dry. Typical dry time is 5 to 15 minutes, but depending on the weather, it could be longer. Final step is to remove the transfer paper. As you're removing it, just be careful to make sure the solution is dried. Thanks for watching our install video. If you liked it, hit subscribe at the bottom. Follow us on Instagram at All in Quicksand. The link to this decal is in the description below. Feel free to visit our Etsy shop at toyodecal.etsy.com, where you'll find other decals for any vehicle you own.